Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny and today we have an Aritzia haul. Now this is probably like my second time shopping at Aritzia, but this time I was able to shop the sale, and the first time that I shopped it, I didn't really shop a sale in particular. It was just, I just got a blazer and then I got like this wilfred dress that didn't wear well, so I was like really turned off about that. But then this time I decided to pick more of the classic pieces that a lot of people were raving about and pieces that I constantly saw like all the time. So I just wanted to feature some of the products that I bought in today's video. So yes, I am going to be doing a haul, and I will also try on the items either this side or this side, I'm not really sure, but you guys will see me try it on and how it fits and everything. So I will go into each piece detail by detail. So first let's start off with the t-shirts. So the first t-shirt that I have is kind of this really carefree long one, as you can see here, but you guys will also see it in the try on. It's really breathable and it's just one of the most perfect materials that I've ever found for a t-shirt. It's really lightweight and loose. It doesn't really have a lot of coverage, so if you wear this without a bra, you will be able to see your nipples, so I highly recommend to wear like a bralette or something under it. But it's just probably one of the perfect sizes that I found for a t-shirt for me. It is pretty long. You can wear it like as an oversized shirt, but you can also tie a knot and then make it into like a really cute fitted t-shirt. But the sleeves are still long and they will be breathable, so that you're not like super constrained in like a t-shirt. So yeah, I wanted to mention that. The next shirt that I have is another babaton. I believe this one is called Isamu or something like that, Isamu. And this one is a lot shorter. It does have a little bit more coverage as far as the shirt goes, but it does have a little bit like of constraint right here under the arms, and you will be able to see your bra in it, and it is pretty short. I think it's more of like a kind of cropped fitted shirt. That's how I would describe it, just like a really cropped t-shirt, and I actually do really like it. I find that it pairs really well with my high-waisted workout pants, so I do like wearing it when I'm going to the gym and everything. I just work out in my sports bra, so when I go to the gym I don't really have to worry about, you know, is my shirt breathable or what. But this does feel like a really good material to wear if you still wore it while you were working out. I do think that, you know, you won't be smelly or anything just because it is so loose and just so lightweight that I think that your sweat will just be absorbed into the air like nothing. Yeah, I think that this is a really great shirt. Both of them did need to be pressed because they were pretty wrinkled, and I usually do a steamer or I will do an iron, but my steamer is like a steamer / iron in one, so I do really like it. But I just steamed both of these shirts and they did turn out pretty well. There is still a little bit of creasing. I could go over it again, but steaming these were just like the easiest things ever. The next item that I wanted to show you guys is the infamous babaton top while I'm getting washed out. So I have it in the knit top and the crop top, and then I also have it in a full knit version, and this one is a little dirty just because I did wear it, so obviously there is some stains on it, but I will throw it in the washer right after this. It says to not throw it in the dryer, so I'll be sure to remember that. Which one do I like better? I like the longer ones better just because they don't ride up. You can wear them with a lot more things. I think you'll get a lot more wear out of it. The knit one you can obviously only wear with high-waisted stuff. You can also wear it with, you know, normal low-waist clothes, but I just find that it's a little bit too constraining, and I just think it's a little too cropped for my liking. But I do like it with, you know, higher waisted stuff. So if I'm wearing like my workout pants and I'm wearing like a jean jacket with some sneakers, then I would definitely wear it like that. But as far as wearing it day to day, I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to wear like crop stuff just because I'm not really like too confident in like, you know, the way my tummy looks and everything. I have a little bit of chubby chips, so I'm not like a huge fan of the cropped one, but I do really like the long knit version, and I think that these really hug your body nicely. And so yes, I do like the longer ones just because I can wear them with my jeans, I can wear them with skirts, with honestly anything with my work clothes. But when I'm wearing the cropped one, I have to make sure that the pants that I'm wearing are high-waisted. So that's the only thing. I just like don't want to have to think about it. And the white one just fits really nicely. I do wish I would have gotten black just because the white does stain pretty easily, and That's the thing about white though. I really like how it looks against my skin tone. If you guys watch any of my makeup videos, then you guys would know how tan I am. And it's just my natural skin color. Cambodians, you know, Southeast Asians are a lot darker than the norm, but I do really like how it looks against my skin tone, and I think that it really makes it pop, and it's just such a beautiful tank top, and I really like it because it's just such a basic, and I can wear it by itself to work, so I really like that as well. And for those of you guys wondering what I do, I am a headhunter for work. That's my job. So yeah, I am in the office a lot. I also work from home a lot just because I'm taking calls from New York, and New York time would be like 10 a.m. and here it would be 7, so I do take calls from home a lot. I do work from home a lot, but lately I've been having to go into the office a lot more, so that's what I'm doing. So I have to make sure that I'm properly dressed and everything for the work environment. So yes, I love these two. I would probably get the white one, the long knit one, in a black, and I also want it in like a more muted color, like maybe like a mauve or I don't know, like a nude color. So I've been really liking just, you know, the neutral colors, but I did get it in this bright, this is Carrier Gold, by the way. I did get it in a brighter color just because it was a perfect color to transition from summer to autumn, so I really like that. And I got the Carrier Gold one in an extra small, and then I got the white one in a size small. So the Carrier Gold, when I wear a bra, you can see it a lot more, but with the white one you can't see it as much. So that's just a tip if you guys are interested in, you know, trying to figure out your sizes if you want your bra to show and you guys are similar to my. The next thing I wanted to talk about were these shirts. This is by the brand Wilfred, and it's the Japanese silk it's the Japanese silk top. So they look like this, and you guys will also see in the try on as well how they look. But I absolutely love these tops. I can't get enough of them. I keep wearing them over and over, and it's getting a little bit redundant. They honestly feel like you are wearing nothing. Like, it just feels so comfy, and it's so silky and soft. It does snag pretty easily, so women, if you guys, you know, have longer nails, or if you have your natural nails, my natural nails did snag this one that I'm wearing right now, so it kind of sucks, but it's not too noticeable. And this one is in porcelain pink, I believe, or I don't know, porcelain peach or porcelain something, but it's kind of like a nudish color. It does have pinky undertones, but when I saw it in stores it looked a lot more nude than pink, so I really like that. So I got a nude one, and then I also got a black one. I purchased one before, but I ended up returning it because they said that they wouldn't price match, so I returned the other one, and then I just got it for a cheaper price. So yes, I have it in black as well, and I got them both at a size small, and I think that it fits perfectly on me. It's the perfect length to where I can wear high-waisted shorts with it, or I can wear just normal pants with it, so I really like that. And these are just so comfy. I like that they have the adjustable strap if you want it, and when I'm not wearing a bra I will put the straps higher, but when I am wearing a bra I will put the straps lower just because I want more cleavage. But just depending on, you know, where you're going, the setting, then definitely adjust it to how you like it. But these tops are amazing. I definitely think that I'm going to have them in my wardrobe for like a really long time because they're just such good quality, and I love that it feels so silky and so soft. The porcelain one, it is a little see-through, so maybe wear like nipple covers or something if you don't want to wear a bra, but the black one is not too see-through. At least I didn't find it to be too see-through at all, so I really loved the black one and this one. And I also was thinking of getting it in like the white color, but the white was a little bit too stark white for me, so I don't know, I wish they had like a cream or something that, you know, would look nice, but I don't know. But they do have other colors that are cheaper. I got these for, I believe they were... The next top that I got is by a brand called Little Moon, and I was over the moon about this top. I loved it so much, and I think it's so cute. So let me just... Oh, this is a little confusing. I need to get those hangers that are like non-slip. So yeah, I'm just using like dry cleaner hangers right now. So this is what the back looks like, and then this is what the front of the top looks like. So I really like this top. I think it's super cute. It does have 2 layers in the cleavage area, so it won't show your nipples, which I really like because I tend to wear tops like these without a bra, or maybe with just like nipple covers or something, but I really like it. It's really soft. The material is not satin or silk. I think the material of this is polyester. It is pretty soft for what it is. This was pretty expensive. This was like 58 or 62, I believe. I don't remember exactly the price of it, but it was a little bit more on the expensive side, and I just really like it. I think it's perfect for summer. I think it's really great with just jeans or with a skirt or with like my dressy pants. I don't think that I can wear this to work, but I still think that it's really cute, and I love that it's really flirty and just really nice. This is probably not something that I can wear every day, but I do think that I will get a lot of wear out of this just because it's such a basic piece, and the only things that would change is my pants and like, you know, my bottoms. So I think this top goes with a lot of different bottoms, which is why I got it. And although, you know, in the pictures it will be the same top, I think it's really great to kind of dress something up a different way every time. So yes, I love this. And like I said, this was from the brand Little Moon, and I got a size small. The last two things I got were bottoms, and this, why don't I do that? I do that pretty often whenever I'm showing stuff, but these are a pair of slacks, and it is by the brand Little Moon. These retailed for $78. This is probably one of the most expensive things that I got from Aritzia. I don't think I spent more than like $62 on a top, so this was definitely a lot more expensive. And you guys, I would buy this a million times if they had like all the colors. So they only have it in this kind of camel color, and I say camel because it really is like a camel color. It's not like brown, it's not Luna's hair. You can see the pattern of her spots, but this is not a brown or like a tan color. It is truly a camel color, and I will link this down below if you guys are interested. But this was just such a great pair of pants. It fit me like a glove. It looked like they were tailored. Everyone asked, you know, where did I go to get my pants tailored? I've never had a pair of pants or slacks that fit me as perfect as these do. I've been wearing them to work so often, and I think everyone is tired of seeing me in these, honestly, because I wear them like maybe 3 times out of the work week. So I just really like them. They fit so perfectly, and they just hug my butt so nicely. They hug like my sides really nicely. It's really loose on the bottom, and it just, oh my god, these are like the perfect size for me. And it's funny because when I looked on the website in the pictures, I was looking for other colors, but they only had red, and I don't really want to wear red slacks. But I was looking at the colors, and I looked at the model, and they were a lot taller, surprisingly, and they were wearing them as cropped slacks, and I was like, well, this is awkward because I'm wearing them as just regular pants, you know, but they are the perfect length for me, and I really like them. So I'm so happy that I found these because they are just such, you guys, like if you guys are 5'3" and you guys are a little bit more on the curvy side, like as far as the bottoms, I have really big thighs. So if you guys have a chance, go try this out. This will be like your staple work pants, I promise you. The last and final item that I got was a skirt, and I featured this in my vlog as well. So if you guys want to see me wear it different ways, then definitely check out the vlog. But I just really love this skirt. You can wear it several different ways. It does have a slit in it, so I prefer my slit to be on the side. Some people like it in the middle. I think it's initially supposed to be in the middle, but it's just a black knit skirt, and it's by the brand Wilfred Free, and I really like it. I think this skirt was actually the cheapest thing that, no, the t-shirts, one of the t-shirts was like $13.50, so that was probably the cheapest thing that I got. But the skirt was actually, I think, $23.99. It was from the brand Wilfred Free, but I really love the freaking skirt. Like, I love it so much. I think it's so cute, so perfect for work. And a lot of the items that I got, Aritzia is more of like a kind of conservative, I would say it's conservative clothing. I know that some of their babaton knit tops, they have like tube tops and stuff. Those are obviously not good for the work environment, but they do have a lot of pretty dressy clothes for work. I did like their linen pants, which were so expensive. I think they were like $150, which I just couldn't justify it, and I didn't, you know, it's not in my budget. Okay, that is beyond me. So yeah, I just couldn't justify paying like $150 for a pair of pants. I think maybe one day when I get like really rich, you know, or when I marry rich, but for now I just can't afford it. So I really loved the way that it looked, but sadly I would try to find a dupe. So yeah, those are all the things that I got from the Aritzia haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked this video, then please give it a like, obviously, and subscribe to my channel down below. I can't wait to see you guys again for another video this week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!